selecting the right materials at the outset of a CAD engineering project is a critical decision that shapes the entire design process. Early material choices influence not only the structural integrity and performance of the final product, but also factors such as manufacturability, cost, and sustainability. Thoughtful consideration at this stage can help prevent costly redesigns and ensure that the project meets its intended requirements. By understanding the properties and limitations of various materials, engineers can optimize their designs for efficiency and reliability. Ultimately, early material selection lays the foundation for successful engineering outcomes. When designing a product in CAD, material related decisions play a crucial role in determining its success. Thermal behavior must be evaluated to ensure that the chosen material can withstand expected temperature ranges without compromising structural integrity. Manufacturability is another key consideration, as the material should be compatible with available production processes and allow for efficient fabrication. Surface finish impacts both aesthetics and functionality, influencing factors such as friction, wear resistance, and ease of cleaning. By carefully assessing these aspects during the modeling phase, designers can optimize both performance and efficiency, reducing the likelihood of costly revisions later in development. Integrating material considerations early in CAD workflows offers significant advantages for both product quality and development efficiency. By factoring in material properties from the outset, engineers can make more informed design choices, ensuring that products meet performance and durability requirements. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of costly redesigns and late stage modifications. It also streamlines collaboration between design and manufacturing teams, reducing misunderstandings and delays. Ultimately, early material integration leads to better engineered products and smoother, more predictable development cycles.